Duck, this might be a little too much for you, but it's what you've been asking for. All right, Duck. Definitely some heat here, boys. Definitely some heat. Posing there. And what you're looking at here is what's called, it's obvious that there's like better just more comfort out there, because you actually see more people. I'll tell you one thing. Tell. You can tell it's changed a lot as far as the heat. Shot from this end at about close to 1, and that's on a weekday, boys. It's on a weekday. Let's go see if we can trespass.